Welcome student in first session from your textbook chapter number 12 electricity. This chapter is related to physics. Today we will discuss about the electricity. Okay, electricity is an important source of energy in the modern times. Electricity is used in our homes, in industries and in transport. For example, electricity is used in our homes, okay, for lighting, operating fans and heating purposes. In industries, electricity is used to run various types of machines, and in transport sector, electricity is being used to pull electric trains. In this chapter, we will discuss electric potential, electric current, electric power, and the heating effect of electric current. To understand that electricity, we should first know something about the electric charges. Okay. For example, if we bring a plastic comb near some very tiny pieces of paper, okay, it will not have any effect on them. If however, जैसे अगर आप कोम को लेके आते हो पीसेस ऑफ पेपर के पास, तो कुछ भी उसमें मतलब इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. ओके, मीन्स देयर इज नो मूवमेंट. इफ हाउएवर द कोम इज फर्स्ट रब्ड विद ड्राई हेयर, ओके, जैसे आप उसको रब करते हो ऑन योर ड्राई हेयर, ओके, देन द ब्रॉट नियर द टाइनी पीसेस ऑफ दैट पेपर, और फिर जब आप वो कोम को पीसेस ऑफ पेपर के पास लेके जाते हो, देन व्हाट हैपन, फाइंड दैट द कोम नाउ अट्रैक्ट द पीसेस ऑफ पेपर टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ. तो आप क्या उसमें देखोगे कि जितने भी पीसेस ऑफ पेपर थे वो सब उसमें क्या क्या होने लगे, अट्रैक्ट होने लगे टुवर्ड्स द कोम. ओके, सो दीज ऑब्जर्वेशन आर एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय सेइंग दैट इनिशियली द कोम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. पहले जब आप सिंपली मतलब बिफोर रबिंग जब आप कोम को लेके गए थे पीसेस ऑफ पेपर के पास, तो देयर इज नो इफेक्ट. ओके, सो बट जैसे आपने रब किया, व्हेन द कोम इज रब्ड विद ड्राई हेयर देन इट गेट्स इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. तो जैसे आपने जब रब किया तो उनमें क्या आ गए, चार्ज आ गए. ओके, सो दिस इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज कोम exert an electric force so on the tiny pieces of paper and attract them. Clear this one? So similarly a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. जैसे अगर आप ग्लास रॉड लेते हो और उसको सिल्क क्लॉथ पे रब करते हो, ओके, एंड एन एबेनाइट रॉड रब्ड विथ वूलन क्लॉथ also acquire. So the ability to attract small pieces of paper and are said to have a electric charge. Okay. So types of electric charges. It has been found by experiment that there are two types of electric charges. Okay. There are two types of electric charges, positive charge and negative charge. Now an important property of electric charges, first opposite charges attract each other, means that positive or negative. Okay, for example positive charge attract a negative charge. Second, similar charges repel each other. Similar means that like charges, okay, that positive and negative. So repel means वो एक दूसरे से दूर होते. Okay, for example a positive charge repel a positive charge and a negative charge repels a negative charge. आपने देखा था इसमें अपोजिट मीन पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. अट्रैक्ट टू ईच अदर मीन्स वो एक दूसरे के पास आते हैं, अट्रैक्ट करते. और ये जो सिमिलर चार्जेस होते हैं मीन्स पॉजिटिव दे हैव टू रिपेल टू ईच अदर. ओके, क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ द SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. Okay, so coulomb and which is denoted by the letter C. Okay, so and it is discovered by the Coulomb, so that's why given the name on scientist. Okay, so that Coulomb, so which is denoted by the letter C and is equivalent to the charge contained in 6.25 multiplied by 10 raised to power 18 electrons. The Coulomb is a very big unit of electric charge. Okay, Coulomb क्या है? It is a very big unit of electric charge. Now next topic is conductors and insulator. These two words you know very well about that in your previous classes. In some substances the electric charges can flow easily while in others they cannot. So all the substances can be divided mainly into two electrical categories, conductors and insulators. So those substances through which electricity can flow are called conductor. Means जो electricity को अपने इसमें से पास करते हैं. For example that all the metals, okay, like silver, copper, aluminium, etc. are the conductors. Okay, the human body is a fairly good conductor. The human body is also what? fairly a good conductor. Clear this one? Now next, insulator. Those substances through which electricity cannot flow, जो अपने में से इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज को पास नहीं करते, okay, cannot flow are called the insulator. For example, that glass, ebonite, rubber, most plastic, paper, dry wood, cotton, okay, bakelite, porcelain and dryer are all insulator because they do not allow electric charges to flow through them. Clear this one? All the conductors means like metals have some electron which are loosely held by the nuclei of their atoms. These electrons are called free electrons, can move from one atom to another atom throughout the conductor. So the presence of free electrons in a substance makes it a conductor और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. मेटल में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहते हैं तो उन्हीं के वजह से वो सब्सटेंस जो मेटल से वो क्या है, इट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ दैट electricity, heat, like that. Clear this one? Now, next topic is types of electricity. Electricity can be classified into two parts, static electricity and current electricity. So, static electricity, the electric charges remains at rest. Static, okay. The electric charges remains at rest or stationary, okay. They do not move. मतलब जब electric charges movement नहीं होता है उसमें, okay, so that is called the static electricity. The lightning which we see in the sky during the rainy season to involve static electricity. Clear this one? Now current electricity. In current electricity, the electric charges are in motion. From name only we can understand. Current क्या होता है? Means passing. Okay. So in current electricity, the electric charges are in motion and produce an electric current. Okay, so the electricity which we use in our homes is the current electricity. अगर static electricity होती तो अपने घर में सभी appliance electricity के जो है वो ऑपरेट ही नहीं हो पाते. Okay, so that's why the electricity which we use in our homes is the current electricity. Okay, so when we talk of electricity, okay, it will actually mean the current electricity. Okay. Next topic is electric potential. Okay. So the electric potential at a point in an electric field. मतलब ये एक point रहता है electric field. Electric field मतलब suppose यहाँ पे एक charge है तो जहां तक वो current उसका मतलब जो effect हो रहा है, so that place is called electric field. Okay, means पूरा area जहां पे उसका effect हो रहा है, so that is called the electric field. So the electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Infinity से okay, जो positive charge को electric field में लाने के लिए okay, जो work किया जाता है, that is called the electric potential. Clear this one? A potential of 1 volt at a point mean that 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of positive charge from infinity to that point. A more common term used in electricity is, however, potential difference. Clear this one? Now, potential difference. Difference, okay, in electric potential between 2 points. जैसे एक पॉइंट यहाँ है और एक पॉइंट यहाँ है. ओके, सो इज नोन एज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. इनके बीच में जो डिफरेंस है दैट इज कॉल्ड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स मीन्स एक हियर और एक हियर. ओके, इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट इज डिफाइंड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इन मूविंग अ यूनिट चार्ज फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू द अनदर. और एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे जो चार्ज को मूविंग करने के लिए जो वर्क किया जाता है. ओके, so that is called that potential difference. So that is potential difference is equal to work done upon quantity of charge moved. Means जो ये दो जो डिफरेंस है इसको की क्वांटिटी ऑफ चार्ज मीन्स यहाँ से इसको मूव करने के लिए वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट के लिए मूव करने के लिए जो वर्क किया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. इज टू बी डन टू मूव q coulomb of charge from one point to other point, then the potential difference V between the 2 points is given by the formula is that potential difference is that V is equal to W upon Q. W is what? Work done. Q is what? Quantity of charge moved, and V means what? That potential difference. So the SI unit of potential difference is volt and denoted by V. The potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt. Okay, if 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of electric charge from one point to the other, so that 1V is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Now voltmeter, it is an instrument. ये एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है यूज टू मेजर द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. ओके, ये क्या होता है? ये क्या मेजर करता है? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को मेजर करता है. A voltmeter has a high resistance, so it takes a negligible current from the circuit. The term volt give rise to word voltage. Voltage is the other name of potential difference. Clear? So next topic is electric current. When two charged bodies at a different electric potential are connected by a metal wire, then electric charge will flow from the body at higher potential to the one at lower potential. Okay, means जैसे दो ये पोटेंशियल है, ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, तो इनको जब कनेक्ट करते हैं अपन तो उसमें एक मेटल वायर का यूज. आपको पता है मेटल इज अ गुड कंडक्टर, ओके, ऑफ दैट करंट. सो द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस विल फ्लो. जैसे आपने इनको कनेक्ट कर दिया इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल को, ओके, टू चार्ज बॉडीज को, तो ये क्या होगा? फ्लो करने लग जाएंगे, ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. और ये कैसे फ्लो करते हैं? फ्रॉम द बॉडी एट हायर पोटेंशियल टू द वन एट लोअर पोटेंशियल. हायर टू लो, हाई टू लो मूव करते हैं. क्लियर दिस वन? So this flow of charge in the metal wire constitute an electric current. So here is the definition. The electric current is the flow of electric charges in a conductor such as metal wire. Okay, so that is current को किससे generate करते? I से generate करते हैं. Okay, charge of coulomb flow through a conductor time t second, then the magnitude means that current, okay, of the electric current flowing through it given by I is equal to Q upon T. Okay, तो current का फार्मूला क्या है? Q upon T. So the SI unit of electric current is ampere. क्या होती है SI unit of electric current? is ampere and it is denoted by A, capital A. Ampere की definition क्या हो जाएगी? When 1 coulomb of charge flow through an cross section of a conductor in 1 second, the electric current flowing through it said to be 1 ampere. Okay, that is means 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. A meter is what? Instrument used to measure the current. ये क्या है? It is an instrument to measure the current. Clear this one?